Next concept is operation on a graph. Okay. So first is intersection of a graph. Okay. So suppose we have two graphs. Suppose let G1, V1, E1 is the first graph. J2, V2, E2. Okay. With two graphs. So how to find intersection? Okay. So if let G be intersection of G1 and G2, intersection of G1 and G2. So this can be represented like this. So we can denote like this: G is equal to G is intersection of G1 and G2. Okay. So what is where? Okay. For new graph, vertex set is obtained by taking intersection of V1 and V2, and edge set is also obtained by taking intersection of these two sets, that is E1 and E2. So E1 is number of edges in G1, E2 is number of edges in E2 is number of edges in G2. Okay. So suppose we take one example. Okay. Suppose we have example like this. Suppose this is one graph. Okay. And here we have self loop. Okay. And suppose we have V1, V2, V3, and V4. Okay. And suppose edges are E1, E2, E3, and this self loop is E4. Okay. So this is one graph, and another graph we have V3 again. Okay. And this is V2. Okay. And we have V1 also. Okay. So there is one more edge, one more vertex, V5. Okay. And we have edge like this. Okay. And here between V2 and V3, okay, between V2 and V3, there is E5. Okay. Now actually here between V2 and V3 there is E2, and here V2 and V3, between V2 and V3 we have V5. Okay. So that means these are two edges. There are two edges between V2 and V3. Okay. So between V1 and V2 we have E1 only. So E1 is common. Okay. And here we have E6. Okay. So these two graphs are given, G1 and G2. Okay. Then intersection of graph is as shown. Okay. So what we do for instead of here, first we write where what is the vertex set? V1 intersection V2. So which vertex are common? V1, V2, V3 are common. So we write V1, V2, V3. Okay. So here also for our convenience, we can write first See, for our convenience, first we write V1 and V2, E1 and E2. Okay. So what is the vertex at V1? V1, V2, V3, V4. What is V2? For second graph, V2 is vertex side where we have V1, V2, V3 and V6. Okay. Edge side for first graph is E1, E2, E3, E4, and edge set for here we have E1, E5 and E6. E1, E5 and E6. Okay, so we write then V is, what is V? V is equal to V1 intersection of V2. So this gives V1 common, V2 common, V3 common. So we have V1, V2, V3. And edge set for new graph is E1 intersection E2. So we have E1. Okay. So how to draw new graph? See, we show V1, V2, V3. So we show V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. Now there is edge E1. E1 is present. E1 is present between V1 and V2. So we draw. Okay. Finish. So there is only one edge. So this will be your graph. Okay, Karina, clear?
Yes, sir.
Take screenshot. Over. Now let us take next. Next one is union of graph. Okay, union of two graphs. Okay, union of two graphs. Okay, so suppose again we have G1, V1, E1, and we have another graph G2, V2, E2. Okay, then we want to find union. Okay, so here we change. Okay, so we write here G1 union G2, V is intersection of V1 and V2. Okay, and edge side is also intersection of E1 and E2. Okay, now for same graph, okay, we show V1 union V2, where E1 union E2. So what is mean by union? Union means present in first vertex as well as second vertex. So V1 is there in both V2, V3, V4, V4, V. This is not V6, this is 5. Okay, so V5. So 5 vertices are there. And what about edges? E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. So all vertices and all edges are considered. Okay. So in the same way, we show. Okay. Therefore, G. What is G? Union of G1 and G2. Okay, is as shown. Is as shown. So we show V1, V2, V3, V4, and here we show V5. Okay, so edge exists between E1 and E2. Okay, so this is V1, V2, V3, V4, and this will be V5. Okay, now see, we have E1. E1 lies between V1 and V2, so we have shown E1. Okay, then E2 lies between V2 and V3, so we show like this. Then E3 lies between V3 and V4. Okay, we show like this. Then E4 is like this. Okay, E5 lies between V2 and V3 again, so we can show like this, one more edge. And E6 lies between V1 and V4. So this is union of two graphs. Okay, so this is our second. Okay, screenshot please. Hello. हाँ या मग क्लासला. ओके, करीना क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Then let us take next third one. Next concept is the ring sum of two graphs. The ring sum of two graphs. Okay, so we are going to take same example again. Okay, so here we have G1, G2. Okay, and this will be different. This is the same. Okay, so pay attention. Now here, the ring sum of graph is represented by the ring sum of graph. See, it is represented like this: G1. Okay, in ring we write summation sign G2. Okay, so what is the vertex set here? Okay, vertex set is V1 union V2. Okay, but edge set is like this: E1 union E2. Okay, minus E1 intersection of E2. Okay, so vertex set is like this. Okay, so see, when we have two sets, okay, then if we remove intersection, okay, that means we take this part and this part. Okay, so this type of this is called as the ring sum. Okay, so E1 intersection E2 minus remove number of elements which are remove all elements which are common between E1 and E2. Okay, so you have to remember definition in this way. Okay, so see, so we have V is the intersection of V2. So V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, and A set is E1 intersection of E2, E1 union of E2 minus E1 intersection of E2. Okay, so here we first write intersection of E1 and E2. So intersection here we have discussed E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. Okay, and common edges will be E1 only. Okay, so if we remove this, there will be E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. Okay, so we show V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. See, E2 lies between V2 and V3. Then E3 lies between V3 and V4. E4 lies between, this is a self loop, and E5 is again between V2 and V3. E6, yeah, E6 is like this. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, this is E6, E4, E2, E5, and this will be E3. E1 is not there. Okay, so this graph is called as the ring sum of two graphs. Okay, so next screenshot. Over. Now next is fourth type is sum of two graphs. Sum of two graphs. Okay. So what is this sum of two graphs? See, it is represented by G1 plus G2. Okay. And it is the graph. It is the graph. Okay. G1 union G2. Okay. And there is one condition in which each vertex of G1 is joined to each vertex of G2. Okay, so what we do, each vertex of G1 is connected to each vertex of G2. And U1, U2 means, G1 union G2 means, union we know, we have to take all vertices from both graph and we have to take all edges from both graph. Okay, so consider example. Okay, so let we have one graph like this, XY, and suppose we have another graph, ABC. Okay, and here we have each. Okay, so students, what we do, then G1 plus G2. Okay, then this is a G1, this is a G2. Okay, then G1 plus G2 is, see what we do, we show XY, we show all vertex as it is, and we show edges also, no change. Okay, and in addition to this, what you have to do is you have to connect vertex. Suppose this vertex is X, right? This is XY and these are ABC. So here what we do, we connect X to A, X to B, X to C, as well as Y to A, Y to B, Y to C. So each vertex from first graph is connected to all vertices or each vertex of second with the help of an H. Okay. So then in this way we get graph. Okay. The next is fifth one is, okay, very simple, product of two graphs. Okay, product of two graphs. Okay, so here what we do, suppose we have two graphs. Suppose G1 is first graph, okay, and G2, V2, E2 is a second graph. Okay, B any graph. Okay, so then G product is represented by this. So your new graph is G, and which is product of G1 and G2. Okay. So here where vertex set of G is V of G1 into V of G2. Okay. So here we write V1 cross V2 like this. Okay. And edge set is and E of G is here what we can say, how to write in word. Just a minute. Okay, we can write like this. Mathematically, we can write V of G1 into E of G2 intersection V of G2 into E of G1. Okay. V of G1. Okay. And this is union. So suppose we take one example. Okay. Suppose we have again, suppose this is AB. Okay. And suppose this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the V of G? What is the V of G? Okay. So first find we plot V of G1, which is A comma B, and then we show V of G2, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. Then E of G1 is suppose this is age E1, and suppose this is E2, E3. Okay. So we write E of G1 is only E1 and E of J2 is A2 comma E3. Okay. So then okay. So what is a V? Vertex set for graph, new graph, that is the G1 cross J2. Okay. So what we do, we have vertex set, so we form new vertex. Okay, we combine with this. So A1, A2, A3. So this is one vertex A1. Okay, A1 comma 1. This is not H, this is vertex A comma 2, A comma 3, B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3. So this is a vertex set. Okay, and what is the E of G? So this is let us understand this in graph only. Okay, so we show vertex like this. So we have okay, so we have three vertex A1. This vertex is A2. This vertex is A3. And for B here we show like this B1, B2. So this is vertex. These are vertices. A1 is one vertex, A2 is okay like this. So see this here what we say VG1 into E of G2. So what we do, listen, what we do, see we have A and B, okay, we have A and B. So there is age between A and B. So this is AB. Okay. Then there is age between 1, 2 and 2, 3 also. So there is age between 1, 2 and 2, 3. Now here we have 1, 2. Here we have 2, 3. But here also we have 1, 2. Here also we have 2, 3. And this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. Okay. So like this. So when we connect age, when we form age, what we do? देखो अगर A कॉमन है, सपोज यहाँ देखो A1 है और B1 है, तो 1 इज कॉमन ना, तो हमें A और B के बीच में देखना है एज है या नहीं, अगर है तो एज दिखा लो। ठीक है, जैसे देखो अगर ये दो वर्टेक्स लेते हैं, ये वाला और ये वाला, इफ वी टेक दिस टू वर्टेक्सेस देन वी हैव A कॉमन, देन वी सी वर्टेक्स 1 वर्टेक्स 2, तो 1 and 2 present here, so there is the age between 1 and 2, so we show like this. Karina, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो 1, 2 यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है, 2, 3 यहाँ है, यहाँ है। ठीक है, ए और बी अगर हम देखते हैं तो 1 को छोड़ दो, 2 को भी छोड़ दो, 3 को भी छोड़ दो, सो ए बी ए। ओके, स्क्रीनशॉट।
Excuse me, sir,
हाँ,
but we can also connect a comma 1 to b comma 2 and a comma 1 to b comma 3 also.
actually here what happened when we take a1 and b2, see we have age between ab, but 1 and 2 these are different ना, ठीक है। तो अगर a1 और b1 अगर है तो ये हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ओके, ये वर्टेक्स हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन a1 बिकॉज 1 इज कॉमन, ओके, बट इफ both are different, यहाँ a है, यहाँ b है, यहाँ 1 है, but 2, then we cannot connect, okay, so this is not possible, okay। and one more thing, see if 1, ठीक है, ये 1 तो ठीक है, 1 1 है तो ab में एज होगा, बट व्हेन अगर यहाँ भी ओरिजिनल ग्राफ में भी a और b के बीच में एज होना चाहिए, ओके। करीना, इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
So next one is fifth one is decomposition of graphs, okay। So here what we do, suppose we have two graph like this, and not two graph, decomposition means we are getting two graph, so we can suppose we draw graph like this, okay। So if we take graph like this, then these are called as, if we combine this, okay, then we get same graph, okay। So here we have e b c d e. Now see, we have vertices, common vertices are there, okay, e is d is common to both, e is common to both, okay। So we may have common vertices, but common edges are not there, okay। So we say these are two subgraph such that two subgraph, suppose we write g1 and g2, okay, two subgraph g1 and g2 such that if we intersect, if we find union, then we should get original graph, and if we take intersection, then it is empty graph, okay। So here we write one note, okay, edges are not common, okay, edges are not common, okay, vertices may be common, okay, screenshot। Okay, this is all about operations on graph, okay। So no one has joined today, so I am going to stop today because next concept is path and circuit, okay। So this is new topic, we will start on the next class, okay। Maybe we may take class on Sunday, is it fine for you या मंडे लेना है?
Sir, Sunday timings?
बोलो आप, कॉलेज होता है आपको?
नहीं, sir.